Okay, hey guys, I'm back with another video. Okay, so this video is, this is gonna be a full face of Dollar Tree makeup, and there was some stuff that I could find pretty easily. I was really shocked with a lot of stuff that I did find, and I was shocked that there was some stuff that wasn't there compared to the stuff that was there. So, bear with me. I think I found most of my stuff that I needed, but with the foundation, it's a little so I might have to mix it depending to get my shade. So I'm gonna go ahead, dump all this on the table, show you guys everything I have, unbag it, unbox it, and we'll get started. Drop something, I hope it didn't break. Anywho, yeah, there's a lot. Like a lot. Got all kinds of goodies. Okay guys, so this is gonna be real interesting. A lot of this stuff does not look like my shade, but we're gonna try it and see how this goes. But this is a soothing face primer. We're gonna check it out. There was also one that was like a cool pink. I just got the clear one because I'm white. All right, so we're gonna put some of this on me. Just like so. It says it's soothing, and it says it minimizes pores. Okay. It's really soft going on the skin. It's a little tacky, which is good because it's a face primer for my lids. So far so good. So I kind of did do a little background research before I did this video, right? And the first girl that I watched, she said she really liked this stuff at first, and then it started burning her skin. So I hope it doesn't do it to mine. But anyways, this is the Soothing Face Primer by, I believe it was L.A.Colors. The L.A.Colors setting spray, and it helps extend the makeup's wear. And this is clear, perfect for travel, on the go, it says, which it is. It's really cute, small, nice packaging. And then I also found this one, which was Mega Glow, and it's a face mist by Wet n Wild. So I have both of these. It smells odd. It's a great sprayer, great pump. So I sprayed that one on me. I don't know if it's, doesn't really have any smell to it. And then I'll also use this one. And again, all of this was $1, so I was like pretty impressed, to be honest. This one has a scent. That one's more nice. It has more of a nice smell to it. But definitely makes my skin a little shiny, as you can see. It's really pretty. But the next thing I have here is going to be a little interesting. I did find some L.A.Colors, the liquid makeup here. It says flawless looking skin and helps even the skin tone. Let's see if it even matches my skin tone or what we have here. So it's like a little pump. Oh, natural, shade natural. I'm gonna use this thing here first. Okay. This is a color corrector, so this is the little sponge I was telling you guys about. I'm not sure what it's color correcting because yeah, I don't know about this. I'm gonna jump in with this, but as you can tell, I really don't think, unless it comes out of the bottle a different color, I don't think it's gonna match my skin the best. We'll see. Because right now it's looking like that. Yeah, no. Definitely not my color. Nah, this ain't gonna work. Well, we're gonna use it and see how well we can blend it in. Because right now I'm looking a little orange over here. So it has decent coverage actually. But we're gonna try to lighten it up with some concealer. Alright, and then I'm going to jump into the concealer real quick. I found this nude, and I struggle with the concealer too. It says it covers and conceals, and it has a foam applicator tip. The concealer's darker than my makeup. Okay, so this is like way darker than my makeup. They also had a Milani, and this is the lightest shade I could find, was the number 4. And they have 4 and up, but nothing lighter. Okay, so this one's a little lighter, actually. It's way lighter than this one, as you can. Definitely got the conceal coverage and everything here. So that, these concealers were way too dark for me, and they covered pretty well. Now whether it sits all day and doesn't budge really, that's a whole nother story. Again, we're talking about $1, and they both blended pretty well and nicely together. I'm still a little too dark for my shade, but it's workable. So what I went in with after all of that was, right here to highlight my face a little bit better, was the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Last time I checked, this was about $3 to $6 at Walmart. It's still a pretty affordable brand. I'm going to jump into, that was the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. And I'm going to apply the powder I got from them, which is the Finishing Powder by L.A.Colors. And it's in the lightest shade that I could find. A little bit of fallout, not much. Seems to be doing the trick. I'm actually really impressed so far with how well all this is doing. After all of that, it seems to be a little cakey, but hey, we're doing great. Okay, so the next thing that I found over at the Dollar Tree was this hard candies, and I've never seen hard candy in the Dollar Tree. This says it's a highlighter, so I bought 2 highlighters actually. This one by Hard Candy and this one by L.A.Colors. And I'm gonna try one on one side and one on the other. But I also found bronzer, and this is the only bronzer I could find. And this was by L.A.Colors. I was just gonna get a darker shade in this, but it was all kind of darker colors, but they were like a peachy undertone. I don't know if you guys. Oh, it's really pretty. So there it is on the back of my skin. Oh, so I'm gonna grab my little brush here. Not bad. There's a little bit of fallout. It's definitely more of a maroon color. Definitely gives you that sun-kissed glow, more or less. And you may not even need like a blush with this. But let me tell you, it's got some pigment. Yeah, I really didn't have to work it too much at all. So there's the bronzer. But yeah, that did really good. I was pretty shocked by that. I was a little worried. So this is the powdered blush. This is in the shade Toast by L.A.Colors here. Definitely a shimmer if you can see that. It's a really nice peachy pink tone there. So I'm going to go in with this brush here, just an angle brush from Maybelline. Definitely a pretty shade too. Alright, so I am all bronzed up. I definitely feel like it is, I don't even know. So this is what I've got on so far. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows real quick here. And I'm going to go in with the Hard Candy in Fox in the Box Glamour Girl. And then the L.A.Colors Shine Bright. This one's definitely marbleized. I don't know if you guys can tell if it's marbleized or not. But this one definitely shines. Definitely got a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm creasing there, creasing on my eyelids. And then I'm going to jump in with the highlighter real quick. So I'm going to go in with the Shine Bright in L.A. Colors, like I said. Definitely got some fallout there. Oh, that's pretty. Definitely pop in there. Ooh. Yeah, this one's definitely more subtle. Definitely blends better with the skin. It has kind of a good smell to it. So yeah, both of these work really well. I love them a lot. They've definitely got shine to them. But the L.A. Colors definitely has more fallout, and this is going to be used up really quickly. Now I bought several different selections here in eyeshadows. All of these are with L.A. Colors, and one is with, I found L'Oreal Paris up in there. So all these three colors here, and most of them are shimmers for sure. I'm gonna probably go with, I'm gonna say, all these are very pigmented. And then I'm gonna go in with the Lucky, the 6 color shadow palette. Right here. And these have got like peacock colors. I don't know if you guys know that, or like notice that, but it reminds me of a peacock's feather. So then I've got 2 new eyeshadow brushes from there. While I was there, I found these. These are Wet n Wild brand, which I was pretty impressed. See what we get, y'all. So I'm gonna start off with the darker blue here, right there. I'm just gonna apply that right there. Dang, talk about some pigment. Alright, and then I'm gonna go with the green over in the corner here, this one right there, and blend all of that. Ooh, hey. I'm gonna blend these real well together first. And then do the same for the other. That bold turquoise shade right there. And we're just gonna blend these colors kind of a little bit more. Alright, so I'm now gonna kind of dial this down a little bit. Put some brown in there. I'm going in with like this mauve-y goldish brown. Put it right there on the outside corners. And kind of blending that a little bit. I see my fallout. I don't know how much fallout all these shades here. This palette, which you want to touch the palette and the shades itself. I don't think my fallout is really good. A level. So I'm going to go in with the white and the palette here. And I'm just going to blend from the top down. I'm going to bring that back to a shade that is more workable. Shade, okay? So with this palette, I'm going to apply this gold shade here. I'm going to use this right here. I don't know. Is it working, guys? Kind of. Maybe. Under my eyes all the time. I'm going to apply that there. Actually, it does a really good job. And up at the top. And it's definitely got a pink undertone in this eyeshadow. We finished with our eyes and eyeshadow. I feel like that's more than enough. And this is from Wet n Wild. This is a Black Got, Baby's Got Black. And the Kohl pencil. This is huge long pencil. So I'm going to apply this right down here on my waterline. So we got the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara here. And this was in Very Black. And C136. Just my eyeshadow. It's going to focus there. Alright. Okay. It's definitely popping. It's okay. They're not the best. I mean, the wand, it's a pretty small, like, basic wand. This is what it looks like. My lips. Y'all, I think it's looking pretty good to be a whole $1 on my face, pretty much. A few different lipstick choices over here. They have 3 different lipstick choices, plus I got a lip liner, which I was shocked I found a lip liner. It's right there. So that's a pretty color. And then the other color we have is a cherry. It's called Cherry Pickin', and it's from Wet n Wild, the brand Wet n Wild, and it's $9.65. Bright. Very bright. It's like a magenta pink. And then we have, this is in L.A.Colors. This is by L.A.Colors as well. Peachy King is this one. So I definitely try to go against the neutral shades, the most neutral one that I have. And then this is L.A.Colors lip liner, and this is in Peachy Feels. I think it might be broken already. So I'm gonna apply this. Doesn't really line your lips that well. I think this one said it was a hydrating lipstick, and I'm not seeing how it's hydrating. But it's a pretty color. Yeah, I like it, but I'm not sure if I like it a lot yet. So I did add over top of that one, I added the Peachy King. So guys, here is the final product of the dollar store makeup look here. I don't know how you like it, but I think it did pretty good. So I'll see you guys the next visit. Bye!